Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you? I hope you all stay in good condition. My name is Ngatiq Ruston. You can call me Ngatiq or Ruston because my school friends call me Ngatiq, while my housemates call me Ruston. So you can call me Ngatiq or Ruston, up to you. Today, in this morning, I will make a video about a very important part on the vehicle, and it must be on the vehicle. Do you know what I mean? Yes, alright, that is a turn signal lamp or the turn signal light. So the turn signal light or the turn signal lamp is one of the lights on the vehicle that serves a sign to the vehicle in front of us and vehicle behind of us that we will turn, either turn the left or turn the right. The turn signal lamp is usually yellow and it's located on the side of vehicle. So when we will turn, either turn the left or turn the right, the vehicle in front of us and the vehicle behind of us will know if we will turn. This turning light system can minimize the accident on the highway. There are several components that support the turn signal lamp to work properly. There are number one is battery at the current source. This picture of the battery. The voltage of the battery is 12 volt. Next, number two is a fuse as the safety. This picture of the fuse. Next, number three is cable as a current connector. I'm sorry, I can show you the picture of the cable because it's located inside of the body. So if you want to see the cable, you must take off the body. I'm sorry. Next, number four is a flasher as a blink. This picture of the flasher. Next, number 5 is a switch as the controller. This picture of the switch. And the last, turn signal lamp as a sign when we will turn. This picture of the turn signal lamp. When ignition switch is on or engine is on and we press the turn signal lamp switch to the left like this, the current from battery will flow to the fuse, then to the switch, then to the flasher, then to the left turn signal lamp, and then to the ground. So that left turn signal lamp will on like this. Some of the problem that often occur with turn signal lamp and that cause number one, the turn signal lamp turn off. It's usually caused by a broken turn signal lamp or a broken cable. We can fix it by replace the turn signal lamp with a new turn signal lamp and connecting the cable. Number two, the turn signal light is on but it's not bright. It is usually caused by weak battery. We can fix it by checking the battery. Number three, the turn signal lamp does not blink or does not flash. It's usually caused by broken flasher. We can fix it by replacing the old flasher with a new flasher. Maybe that's all for me. That's all I can say. If there is mistake, please understand. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because it's free.